Good day, everyone. You are welcome to this week's Business and Investment Tips program, a production of Christ Church Radio. My name is Ayodeji Ebo, an investment professional. This week, we will continue on the topic Investing in Mutual Funds, Part 2. If you missed the recording from last week, kindly check the YouTube channel. We provided a background on mutual funds, how it works, as well as the types of mutual funds by setup and asset classes. How do I start investing in mutual funds? If you are ready to invest in mutual funds, here are a few steps to consider before you begin investing. Firstly, look up the firm, stockbroker, investment professional, or any representative you are considering working with to see if they are licensed and registered with the Securities and Exchange Commission. You can search on www.sec.gov.ng/CMOS. Secondly, you need to understand how much risk you can afford before selecting the type of mutual fund you want to invest in. You can determine your risk tolerance on your own or with the help of an investment professional based on variables like your current age, retirement age, or whether you are on a fixed income. Thirdly, request for past performance of the funds. While you want to know how well the mutual funds you are considering has performed in the past, keep in mind that past performance isn't necessarily the best way to predict how the fund will perform in the future. Compare the fund's past performance along with other factors like how long the fund has been in business, the performance of underlying assets, and the size of the fund. Fourthly, you need to take extra care to review all the fees mutual fund charges. A difference in cost between funds may seem small, but those costs can add up over time. You can find information about fees, risks, and more in a mutual fund's prospectus. Finally, a robust technology platform to sign up to monitor performance of the fund is critical. This should be a major consideration after the aforementioned checks are positive. Investing in a mutual fund through a good technology platform will ease the redemption of units, that is withdrawal from the funds, and reduce the time it takes for withdrawals to be credited to your bank accounts. Advantages and disadvantages of investing in a mutual fund. Advantages: A. Low entry amounts. Mutual funds provide investors the opportunity to start investing without a lot of cash. Minimum entry ranges between 5,000 naira and 100,000 naira, depending on the type of funds and investment outfit. The amount to top up, e.g. on a monthly basis, are typically lower than this. B. More opportunity for higher return. Leaving funds in your savings or current accounts is generally considered safe, but the interest is almost at 0%. Investing in mutual funds gives you the opportunity to earn a higher return on your funds. C. Professional management. Investing in mutual funds exposes you to professional help, as investments can be complex when undertaken by people without adequate knowledge or experience. D. Liquidity and trading convenience. Investors can easily redeem their shares at the current calculated net asset value minus any fees and charges assessed on redemption on any business day. E. Diversification. Expanding investments across a wide range of companies or sectors can help investors lower risk if a company or sector fails. This is less expensive to achieve with a mutual fund than through ownership in individual stocks or bonds. Disadvantages. A. Fees. Investors in mutual funds bear numerous charges like sales charges, annual fees, management fees, and other expenses, regardless of how the mutual fund performs. To check this, the Securities and Exchange Commission has capped the maximum total fees to 1.5% of the funds. B. Less control over investment. Investors cannot direct influence which securities are included in the mutual funds. Mutual funds allow investors who do not have the time to invest in the money and capital market or do not understand the business of buying and selling securities an opportunity to invest and make money. Mutual funds can form a part of your investment portfolio. Thank you for listening. Please join us same time next week for another exciting and insightful session. For comments and feedback, kindly forward to ccradio@rccgchristchurch.org or send SMS to 070-8246-3747. Stay blessed.